In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Louis Vuitton filter on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to this profile, VVES Naletto. So go to that profile and then click on the sticker or like filter icon in the middle, which is right there. Then next up, scroll down and then right there, you're going to see the Louis Vuitton filter. Then click on it. Then right there, you can take a look at the filter, but if you want to get it, you're going to click on try it. And then right there, you're actually going to get the Louis Vuitton filter on Instagram. So make sure you go do that, follow these steps, and then that should actually work. So let me take a picture. There we go. And then you can actually go ahead and post this on your story. So that's exactly how you can get the Louis Vuitton filter on Instagram. Make sure you follow the steps and then this should work. If this works, make sure you leave a like. I would appreciate that. And the people trying to find this would appreciate that too, because then this video is going to rank better in YouTube so that they can go ahead and find this video. Now that's it. Enjoy your filter. Have a nice day. Peace out.